Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing of the Scrap Diva Designs August 2024 metal die release. Thank you, Erica, for sending me these wonderful dies. I'm looking forward to showing everyone these metal dies. You can find these metal dies at scrapdivadesigns.com starting August 1st. And you could also get a 10% discount using the code prisgemicinc. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. First, we have this thankful word, and it also has a shadow outline to this word, and it's really grateful for Thanksgiving theme, I think, and any time of the year. And as well as this next one is grateful word. It also has a shadow outline at the back of this word, and it's a really nice size. It's like approximately, let's see, let me bring my ruler out. Oh, I don't know what happened to all my rulers. I ended up with just centimeters, so it's like about approximately, with the shadows, like about 9 centimeters long by 3.5 centimeters wide. Next, we have this cute cow. I'm so excited because I love cows, and I believe this month is like farm themed, so we have like 3 animals. There's going to be another 2 animals coming up, and it's super cute. And I have this metal die set that I bought a long time ago that could go, like, I think it looks great on that. It looks like a milk carton kind of thing, and so I'm planning to use that on that one. And also upcoming later on, there's going to be a barn, so this will look great there too. And also there's going to be a mini album, and this would look great on that too. And it's going to come up later in this video. Let's move on to the next die. We have a cute horse. It ties in with the theme of the farm. And as well as this cute pig. So we have a variety of farm animals. And here we have a lowercase alphabet. This is great for decorating anything and putting sentiments on your projects. I'm thinking these are really going to be great on the barn, the mini album, and there's also an embellishment book coming up, so it's great to, you know, highlight something you want to say. And here's some alphabets. And the following one we have here is the uppercase alphabet, and it also has numbers here, so this is awesome. Very awesome. And it's big enough to, like, you could like decorate it, so you'll see what I'm gonna do later on with my projects. These are really useful, and I like how it's including numbers in here as well, and some brackets, and it looks like this is a question mark and an exclamation maybe. Let me look. Let's see. Yes, it is. So that's that one. And next up we have this heart fantasy flower die. Isn't this so awesome? It has a large and a small size. It comes with the stamen in the middle, and these are really great because you could stamp out like so many flowers all at the same time, and you'll have so many to decorate with, and it's just so great. Next up we have, oh, and these flowered is really neat because it has these like really neat designs in here. So it's like fantasy kind of style to it, and it's like dreamy like, and it's just like adventure kind of thing. So it's really neat. Next up we have this triple star bow in a large and also a medium size here. Yeah, it's like really nice, as you can see, and it has some layering for the top here, which is great. I love how they included that here. So you could, like, I always like to make it like a gold or a metallic outline at the sides, and then in the middle is like a pattern paper. I love to do that. So this is nice. And I'm like, this is like so exciting. Like this is called a 3D embellishment book. I'm just like curious as to how this is gonna look, and I really love embellishments book because I really love to make embellishments, and it also includes these really beautiful flowers in these petals in large and small size, including the word love in a shadow word, and it has these stitching on it. So yeah, this is going to be very interesting, and it has another backing to it. So there's more dies in the back here. And then next up we have this 3D barn gift box, and it's going to look super cute with those cute farm animals, and yeah, it's going to be really nice. And I believe there's going to be a roof on top of this 3D barn. We'll see how it's going to look. And finally, we have this cow mini album. Isn't this so cute? And I think it's wearing like a party hat or something. So it's like really gonna be super cute, and it has these layering that you could use, and it's just so cute. I'm just so excited to show you guys what I'm gonna make. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this boxing video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!